Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, we're going to talk about the difference between red cabbage and green cabbage. It might seem like there's a whole lot of difference between them, but there's actually not as much as you may think. They're both from the same family. They just happen to be different varieties within the same family. One main difference is their flavor. It's pretty nuanced as far as the flavor goes. It's not as big of a difference as you might imagine. So green cabbage is going to be a little bit mellower and kind of have a vegetal taste. Now, if you have a smaller head of cabbage, it's going to be much more intense versus a larger head of cabbage. In comparison, purple cabbage, this is actually going to be sweeter and slightly floral. Now, those nuances can be really drastic depending on how it was farmed and when it was harvested, but those are sort of the main differences between them. That said, they can be pretty much used interchangeably. The one thing that's going to be the main deciding factor for you, whether you pick purple cabbage or green cabbage, is the nutrients. The purple cabbage has double the vitamin C, double the potassium, and double the iron, and 10 times the vitamin A. So when you're at the market, you probably want this guy. It's a lot more nutrient dense than the green guy. That said, they're both tasty, they're both healthy. Try them both. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, hey, give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you want to see, drop a comment below. And I cook a lot, I release videos a lot. If you like to cook too, please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.